Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to light mode Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to light mode Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. For light mode Microsoft Teams, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the Appearance Cell menu. Now here in the Appearance Cell menu there are several menus. Here there is a Theme menu. Tap here. Now a scrolling menu will appear and there are several mode options. Tap Light to make it light mode. Now here Microsoft Teams has become light mode. So that's it, the tutorial how to light mode Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.